to doctors for 3 years. They couldn't find nothing. I came to you. Problem solved.
Oh, nice,
And
nice,
I
nice.
told her I was in pain. I couldn't drive. I was dizzy all the time. And now when I do this, perfect. It's like a new person. Three. 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 Four. Three. Four. Three. Four. Four.
Tell me how do you feel better? Better?
Feels better.
Feel better? Oh, nice.
It was here.
So always
Nothing here this time. It was good. It was more here, and then when you
Down
found
here,
that,
yeah,
it's like,
mainly your hand.
wow.
Okay.
I can move it,
Move better.
and it would pop. I do this, and it pop. It's not popping no more.
I see. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Feels good.
Feel good. Okay, good. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank
And,
you.
Oh, I have you a customer coming. I think.
Oh, really?
Her name is Gracie.
Oh, good. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Her back.
Oh, wow.
She said, I can't take it. I take medicine. I'm in pain all the time. I go to doctors.
Oh.
So her name is Gracie. She's gonna come see you.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
And I told her, it's like magic coming.
Is that magic? Okay.
So it works. She says, okay, I trust you. I trust you.
Okay.
So-
Oh, she worked for you too?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
wow.
a new building. I just
Oh,
met
new
her.
building.
I just met her,
Oh.
started talking. And I told her about my shoulder. I went to doctors for 3 years. They couldn't find nothing. I came to you. Problem solved.
Oh, nice,
And
nice,
I
nice.
told her I was in pain. I couldn't drive. I was dizzy all the time. And now when I do this, perfect. It's like a new person.
Yeah, because you mentioned about like you went to MD, doctor, CAT scan, MRI, even heart surgeon to check everything's
I
fine.
just paid $500 for MRI.
Oh, wow.
Everything's okay.
Everything's fine.
What? So why does it hurt?
Okay.
You check the shoulder. No, we check the spine because it starts from the spine. So, but my problem is here. And they said everything looks good.
Everything,
So why does it hurt? I don't know.
So before you have dizziness too, right?
Yes,
Dizzy, yeah.
oh, yeah, but now.
Yeah, all the dizziness gone. Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay, okay.
Perfect.
Nice, nice.